Welcome to the third episode of our Supply Chain Leadership Bulletin. It is called Cultural Transformation, a typical C-level initiated project. Let's get right into it. If you want the culture of a company, it's like its personality, with the small difference that this personality consists of numberless individual personalities. For me, smells like a lot of complexity. Before we can check if a typical C-level initiated project can produce cultural transformation, I need to define my understanding of such a project. It starts with high aspiration, great leadership excitement and attention. Unfortunately, having only a middle-term scope, in the best case. C-level then delegates it to its management or external consultants. Leadership moves on to the next priorities because there are no quick and measurable results. The excitement and attention goes down, and the project cultural transformation ends as a lip service standard agenda point. The project fades out, and the newly appointed C-level initiates a new cultural transformation process. Do you think that's too negative? I think it's quite realistic actually. Cultural transformation is anything else but not a project. It is the biggest leadership challenge because it requires reflection and self-criticism, and most of the time change at the leaders themselves. It is a big challenge because it moves so slowly and because it changes direction and focus in the course of the process. Cultural transformation is highly agile, and because it requires so much consistency and stamina of the leadership in result. Science speak about a boomerang effect as one of the main topics why transformation processes fail. The boomerang effect describes that initial positive results of a transformation fade immediately once leadership loses attention and moves on to other topics. The bottom line is, don't throw boomerangs. Cultural transformation is not a project. It is an infinitive initiative, so stick to it. In the next episode of our Supply Chain Leadership Bulletin, we will deal with a phenomenon I call change agents overnight. But more about that next time.